In this video, you are going to see how to highlight text in Microsoft Word document as you can see here. Let's get started. To highlight the text, we can apply two methods. Select the text you want to highlight, then go to Home, go to Font Group and go to Highlight and select the color. Suppose I want to highlight this text, select it, again go to Highlight and select another fill color. We can apply another methods. Just go to Font Group and select your desired color from here and the mouse cursor will be changed. Now select the text you want to highlight and you can easily highlight like this. And just click on the escape button to escape from the highlight option, and this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.